everyone, this is April, also known as Thrifty and Classy, and today I am going to be demonstrating how I use this Revlon all-in-one hair dryer to blow dry my natural hair. So just wanted to give a demonstration. This item has been out for a while. Many of the natural hair ladies have done reviews on this, and so I just thought I would just show my technique on how I use this to straighten my hair. So stay tuned. Okay, so I have already detangled my hair and sectioned it in 4 parts. I'm going to start with the back, and I use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Heat Protectant Smooth and Shine to blow dry my hair. So let's see here. And I will be using this on the low setting. And as you can see, it's a paddle style brush, and it has these little holes in here, which is where the heat will generate out. So it's a paddle style brush hair dryer, and the hair will be in a blown out style once I'm done. So as you can see, it gets the hair pretty straight. It's been about 3 to 5 minutes, so I'm going to go on to the next section. All right, guys, I'm just checking back in really quick. I have the first half of the hair fully blow dried, so now starting on the second half, and it's getting pretty straight. So I've had this particular hair dryer for about 7 months now, so I'm pretty late to the game with it, but I gotta tell you, if you have natural hair and you want to find a tool that will help you dry it in less time than the traditional handheld hair dryer, then this is one that you're gonna wanna look for. And again, the brand is Revlon. So guys, I am done blow drying my hair using my Revlon one-step styler and hair tool, and I think it came out pretty good as far as making the hair straight. So I think it retails for less than $30, and I actually purchased mine at Ulta, And Ulta usually has a coupon, so I did use the coupon when I purchased the dryer. And like I said, I think I've only had it for about 8 months, and it seems to be working pretty good whenever I do decide to blow dry my hair. So I used a low heat setting, and it worked pretty good. My hair is not as thick as most other natural hair ladies, so the low heat setting works fine for me. And I will have to say, I think it only took me about maybe 15 minutes to blow dry my entire hair. I did section in 4 sections, but then ended up separating into 6 sections total, just so I wouldn't have so much thick hair pieces as I was trying to blow dry. But just wanted to demonstrate again. This is the Revlon hair dryer styler, paddle brush style. And thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and be blessed.